Welcome to day 14. This is the final gift to open up for our Sallie Tomato Co Box. And of course, we saved a very special gift for last. It's inside a little blue box. So here we have day 14, Simply Beautiful. You are so beautiful each and every day. We can't thank you enough for sharing your passion with us at Sallie Tomato. Please enjoy this extra special gift designed by me exclusively for this box. We truly hope that you've enjoyed these special gifts and have a joyous and creative 2023. So let's see what's inside. So as you may have guessed, a piece of jewelry. So I designed this necklace so it was modern but still very classic looking. It features pearls and paperclip link chain. It's 2 layers and it has a heart engraved with the Sallie Tomato logo. I truly hope that you enjoy this gift. I know I'll be wearing mine. You'll see it in future video tutorials. I'm just so proud of this entire box, and I sincerely hope that you enjoyed each and every gift. We will continue with this box every year, so be sure to be on the lookout. You can subscribe to our newsletter to be notified when next year's box will be revealed. And I'll just give you a hint that I don't think it'll be robin's egg, but it'll be something very special and fun, and you aren't gonna wanna miss out. So check out the links below if you liked this box, or if you have any feedback, comments that you'd like to share with us, then add them to the comments below this video and we'll be sure to read each and every one of those. And I hope you have a wonderful new year, and I will see you soon. Bye.